Here we have a Volkswagen T-Cross, a 1 litre TSI SE hatchback, 115 PS. The car's in great condition and it has a top spec, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, black roof rails, hill start assist, front and rear parking sensors, lane assist, Volkswagen Roadside Assistance, and these 17-inch Clayton alloy wheels. Now looking at the boot, it is big and it is very deep as well. The interior has heated front seats, 2 USB ports for Apple or Android CarPlay, and We Connect. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Weston Volkswagen Newbridge.